It's part 2 now.
Ayan, ang ganda ng view.
Yeah.
And andito na naman si Jepoy.
Yeah, right there. Right there. Right there.
Kumakain ng hotdog.
At saka itlog. Apapa. Hello guys. It's me with Gingging again.
Hotdogs.
Hotdog siya. Hotdog. Okay, unicorn. Guys, look at my unicorn. I'm gonna add her a crown. I gave her a crown. You can see it because it has a filter. I'm gonna show you guys without the filter. This is without the filter. Kind of cute. So, see you in part 2. Bye! Ay, part 3. Bye!